So here is our first Rindt 944 Safari. So this was a trade-in. Kes is going to cut some video in a second, show you what it was like when it arrived. But Brian, we decided to do something pretty different with it, really, didn't we?
Slightly, yeah. So we got Nitron involved, making suspension to lift it about 1.5 inches, give it a bit more ground clearance. There's more lights on it than on the Eiffel Tower at present.
Big refrac.
Resprayed, limited slip diff. It's just a cool thing. It's making an unloved car a bit more on the love side and something a bit different. But we'll run it in a field and see what happens.
Exactly, and now up for sale as well.
Now up for sale.
And
24,995.
24,995, and all goes well, we might build a couple more, right?
We have two others. We have a 924 turbo with a 944 body that we could use, and we've got a 944 2.7 car that we could use. So if it works, we'll do 3.
Yeah, brilliant.
Yeah, you're no good at this, are you? So anyway, we took it to Nitron. Why? We took it to Nitron because they are our suspension suppliers. Got to be the best in the business. Curtis made up a special set of shocks for this so that we could get the lift that we needed and the rebound that we needed. On the road, a little bit different to a normal 944, but you can also take it into a field should you want to annoy your local farmer.
Or do donuts.
Or do donuts, slowly. But we'll get there with the donuts. We just need a bit more of a greasy
there's
surface.
a giraffe.
Yeah.
Oh, an elephant. Wow, that was an amazing safari. Oh look, there's another lion!
A big lion, a red lion.
So not completely finished yet, but should be ready in a couple of weeks.